Empty room, never mind.
Another door inside.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down. Calm, y'all. There's a lot of dogs. There's a lot of dogs.
Calm your...
Really?
What were we gonna say? Calm your tits?
What? What did you just say?
Whoa! What did you just say?
What? Isn't that what they say? Don't they say calm your tits?
Wait, so you went...
What? Why is everyone making it such a big deal? It's just... the word tit.
Language.
Tit is not a swear word.
Oh my god, stop!
It's just another way to say
wait, I found
boob.
it.